I've purchased a unit off the plan. This is from Terry. Yet to build. Plans and marketing show solar installation post-build to be decided by Owners Corporation. Anything we should be aware of now to facilitate post-build install, or even better, any chance of doing install whilst doing the initial build?
Plans and marketing show solar installation post-build to be decided by Owners Corporation. Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, it's a really hard time. You know, there's a theory of theory of groups that I like to refer to when it comes to bodies corporate that are freshly established. So it's forming, norming, storming, and mourning. And the idea is that you get together as a group of people, you form, you work out what your common values are, that's norming, and you come together as a group and start to understand each other. There's storming, okay, which is where you really start performing and doing well as a group. And then there's mourning, when the group breaks up. Now, when you're doing something like this, you're trying to get to the end of those first 3 stages really quickly, because you can do some pretty suboptimal things in that first 12 months after you come together as a group. In direct answer to the question, anything we should be aware of to facilitate post-build install, get that body corporate owner's role as soon as possible. Get in touch with the owners. Start talking about solar. Start talking about options. Have a look at the survey plan. Is there any areas of common property where we could put a battery, you know, or a set of batteries? Because that's really something you should be thinking about. It doesn't have to be the first stage. It might be a stage later. You might think about a progressive installation of solar as body corporate funds come in. So yeah, there's lots of things that you can do to be aware of. The biggest one is to get on the committee if you can. So you've got your finger on the pulse. Make sure you're getting copies of minutes from the body corporate manager of committee meetings and general meetings, and correspond with the body corporate committee. If you're not on it, hey guys, are we going to get solar? Can we talk about it? You know, we want to make sure that there's a good setup put in place and it's fair and equitable and everybody gets a good run out of it. Yeah, so there's plenty of things you can do.